Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you're going to do the Elements of Art scavenger hunt. It's pretty easy, but again, I just wanted to make it super easy so you guys knew exactly what you were doing. So I'm on the instructions page for the project. There are 7 elements of art. We learned about them in 3rd grade, so hopefully that's all reviewed to you guys. If you click on this video, it's like only a minute and a half. It'll go over what the 7 elements are. Then you're going to click on this Google Forms. It's going to bring you to a little worksheet. There's the video again in case you didn't watch it. And then you're going to write your name first and last, please, so I know who's who, because I know I have some doublings of names. Then you're just going to find these objects in your house, and you're going to write what the object is, right where it says your answer. So for example, find something with a fluffy texture. Maybe I would find my cat. So then here I can write my cat. Find something that's blue. I'm going to look around, things I see that are blue. My sock. Find something that is a box. You've got a puzzle box. So you're just going to do that all the way down till you get to this picture of my adorable cat with a little pear sitting on him. And you're going to choose one element of art. Again, there's 7. So you could choose line. You could talk about a line that you see in this picture. You could talk about a shape you see in this picture. You could talk about a texture you see in this picture. It's up to you. So then here you're going to write, and I gave the example, color. The couch is red. And then you're going to submit that to me when you're all done. Easy peasy. That's all you have to do for this one. All right, guys? If you have any questions, you know my email address. I look forward to seeing you, and I hope everyone's doing well.